They're playing basketball.
All around the world. To the beach, y'all. Let's go. All around the world. Y'all know this is so that.
It's gonna be a beautiful day of basketball here today, fellas. We're not talking about just regular basketball. We're talking about street ball. Street ball will be played today, and coming into the court right now, man, Bow Wow and his teammates.
All right now.
Bob, what's up, man? Hey.
All right now.
He a way better flavor.
Now basketball is my favorite sport. I like the way they dribble up and down the court.
I keep it so fresh on the microphone. I like.
Let's go.
Cute face, chubby waist, thick legs in shape, rump shaking both ways, make you do a double take. Planet rocker, showstopper, flow popper, head knocker, beat scholar, tail dropper, do my thing. Rolls Royce, Lamborghini, Blue Medina, always beaming, rag top, chrome pipes, blue lights, outside.